cheese block going. Oh my god.
Maybe you should cut the cheese?
Hello! Happy Thanksgiving!
Welcome to Tasty Makers.
Are you looking for a way to spice up your Thanksgiving turkey? Well, we've got it.
Right here. Watch the rest of the video right now.
Don't forget to hit the like button right now because I know you're going to like this video. Subscribe down below and ring the bell.
I like this video.
I like it too.
Got the turkey. It's a Kroger turkey because we're cheap. We're going to be using some Tony Chaffers Creole seasoning. I don't know how much to put. Is it? It's aromatic. Look at the turkey. Like I say, that a one jive turkey.
6 months later.
Turkey! It smells lemony. Even though I put one lemon in there, it smells like raw turkey and it smells like water. Let me see. We're gonna lift this. Oh, it actually thawed. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Do I have to take this little plastic piece off the turkey? Comment down below. Alright, let's lift the bad boy out. And now the moment that everyone has been waiting for is the cheese block. Look, cheese block going. Oh my god. Abby's face right now goes, oh, it broke a rib. It goes. How does this work?
Maybe you should cut the cheese?
Oh, this.
Don't break the rice cooker.
This is not. Oh, okay, all right. We're just gonna say that's good. Look at Abby's face right now. I'm gonna take melted butter. And you. Moisturize. So now we take Cheetos, hot Cheetos. I'm gonna crush them up real fast. Oh, yes. Yes. If you like Cheetos, hot Cheetos, comment lit down below. And from there, bam! Cover the turkey. You know, because why not? If it wasn't bad enough that you just stuffed an entire thing of cheese in it. Massage. Mmm. And we're ready to bake. Alright. Bye, turkey. Let's hope for the best.
12 seconds later.
Here we go. Oh. Oh, here he is. Da, 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 da. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get some rolls over this real quick. Guess you made it to the house.
I'm here. Chris, I want to see the turkey.
Check it out. 3, 2, 1. Boom!
Oh my goodness.
See that?
Oh my gosh.
Covered.
What is that?
Hot Cheetos.
No way.
Here he goes. With a pair of small kitchen shears.
It is working. Should just
try
take
it.
a real big knife and do this.
He said a real big knife. I got one of those. Oh!
Nope. It's so dangerous. I think I got through. Oh!
There he goes.
Ready?
Now, ready?
Are you guys ready?
Ready, tasters. 3, 2, 1.
Boom!
Oh.
Made you look.
Oh.
We are having our family Thanksgiving.
Abby's face looks prepared. How about Alyssa's face? Yay!
My face this whole time.
I just want
There you
to.
go. Slice in, take that bite right now.
Okay, good. Because I've been
Like she looks
Get
different
off.
today, but like you know, like she's grown.
Just want you guys to know. Look at all that Cheeto.
Look at, oh my gosh. So, is it dry?
No, actually.
It's not?
No, I don't
Yes.
think so. It's so good. Here we go. Nice cheese. Cheetos on one side, Cheetos on this side.
Wow, you're not going to be able to defecate for a while.
That's the greatest turkey I've ever eaten in my life.
Really?
Yes.
And he's had fried turkey, and he's also had jive turkey.
Chris is gonna eat the neck. Eat the neck.
Tastes like turkey.
He's eating the heart
Oh, no,
with cheese,
calculated my
ladies and
brain.
gentlemen.
Oh, wow.
Put it in your mouth. Describe the heart in detail.
Alright, the heart. First of all, it's cold. If you've ever had liver before, it's a very light taste of liver because it's a very bloody, irony type of taste.
Just like
Chris, what are you doing?
I'm spitting it out.
Spitting what out?
The heart. Oh gosh.
oh,
It got worse.
Oh my gosh. Turkey leg. I love it. It's so good.
I got Cheeto dust in my eye. Hey, so we got another food aficionado here. My sister, what are your thoughts?
yeah.
It's good, and I don't know why.
It just goes to show.
I just swallowed a bone. In my opinion, it's chewy. It tastes like turkey. And then if you like Hot Cheetos, it has the mildest taste of Hot Cheetos.
Listen,
Okay?
listen. If you cover anything in cheese or you stuff cheese inside of anything, it gets better. So next time you make a turkey for your Thanksgiving, make it tasty.
Deuces.